Pork Carnitas. Ingredients: 4 pounds pork shoulder, or pork butt, boneless. 1 onion peeled and halved. 3 cloves garlic crushed. 2 medium oranges juiced and keep the spent halves. 2 limes juiced and keep the spent halves. Dry rub. 1½ teaspoon salt. 3/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon cumin ground. 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon oregano dried. Directions: prepare oven, preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Mix dry rub ingredients, in a small bowl, combine all the dry rub ingredients together. Season pork and place all ingredients in pot. Place the pork shoulder in a large Dutch oven or an oven-safe pot and rub the dry rub all over the pork on all sides. Throw in the onion, garlic juice from the oranges, limes and the spent orange and lime halves. Cover pot and cook. Cover the pot and place it in the oven. Bake for 3½ hours until the meat is tender and shreddable. Shred meat. Remove the meat from the pot and place it on a baking sheet. Using 2 forks, shred the meat into small pieces. There should be about 1½ cups of liquid left in the pot. Ladle about 1 cup of that liquid all over the shredded pork. Crisp up carnitas. Place the meat under the broiler, for about 5 to 10 minutes. Halfway through, turn them over with a spatula to crisp up on both sides. You can crisp them up 450 degrees for about 30 minutes, especially if your oven doesn't have a broiler. Serve hot on tortillas, burritos, tamales or sandwiches.